between phone calls and Excel, missed your callback and follow-ups, lost leads and unhappy customer? Don't worry. Hello everyone, myself Dipali. I represent Jam Outsourcing and I am pleased to introduce our advanced cloud telephony CRM solution designed to streamline your communications and enhance the operational efficiency. Quickly would go on cloud telephony CRM demonstration. So here we'll provide you the common URL which you have to copy paste in a Google Chrome. Once you enter that, this login page get appear with CRM and telephony tab. If you just have to do a data analysis, log into CRM. If you have to place a call and have to send any SMS, WhatsApp, RCS, log into telephony. Username and password is created from admin panel itself. We have listed some terms and conditions for the better understanding of cloud telephony system. Once you click on submit button, in groups get appear and then again you have to click
Welcome to
on
Jam
submit
Cloud
button.
Telephony System.
We'll come up with the dashboard where we can develop this page as per the client requirement, but we have given some static graphs based on the data you have into the CRM. You can download the graph, you can change the graph based on start date, end date. Even will provide you the agent call log based on the login time, logout time, what are the total calls he has done, connected calls, not connected calls, and talk time per day. Directly coming to the customer tab where we have a 4 sub tabs. First, add customer where you can manually add the data into the CRM. Second, import customer where you can upload the Excel into the CRM. The process is very easy. Download the sample CSV file, dump your data in that format and click on upload file or drag and drop option is also given. So at one time 50 to 60,000 or more than that also can be uploaded into the CRM. While uploading this data into the CRM, duplicates number would get updated and only 10-digit number will get uploaded into the CRM. Coming to list view customer, now whatever data you have added manually and you have uploaded in the form of Excel would be listed in this customer management form. Even you can do an API integration with the different sources like IndiaMart, Just Dial from your website, Google Sheet, Trade India, etc. So this source will help us to understand from where we have received the data. Date added is something when the data came into the CRM. Then coming to an allocate customer where you can allocate the data from one user to another user. Even you can put the data on auto dial system where machine will place a call for you and connected calls will get directly connected to users. Here we have a search bar where you can search uh, phone numbers, even you can search by name, even you can search by company name. I am showcasing you an agent screen. So here you can see you get a brief about total inbound call count, total outbound call count, missed call count, total talk time also. So here I search my name. So this is my WhatsApp number and my number is already been added into the CRM. Once I click on view button, this form get appears. So here you can see we have a customer information calling box. So from where on a click to call, the call will land to the customer. We have callback and drop call notifications where you get the pop-up every time at the given scheduled time. This is a big box which is totally customized as per the client requirement. This tab can be changed. We can add the question under this tab in the format of checkbox, drop down, radio button, and everything which has been captured by the user or the agent would be downloaded in Excel format. Even this basic info tabs are totally customized from admin panel itself. So coming to a calling part, if I click on a call button, call will land on my number.
तुम्ही ज्या नंबरवर संपर्क साधण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहात
So
त्यावर
here you
सध्या
can see when
इनकमिंग
I'm
कॉल
trying to
रिसीव्ह
place a
केली
call, my
जाऊ
call
शकत नाहीत.
duration gets
कृपया
start and it's
थोड्या
a live
वेळानं
call.
प्रयत्न करा. The number you are
So
trying
we
to
have
reach
a transfer
cannot receive
facility
incoming
also
calls at the
and a
moment.
hold
Please try
option
again
also. The
later.
user can put a customer on a hold, and in consult transfer facility, you can transfer the call to the concerned person and list is already been uploaded from admin panel. Even you can have a conference call where you can insert the third customer या third person number over here and you can click dial with customer. So this features has been developed for user by finding difficulty to resolve the query of customer and he need the upper management or the salesperson to be the part of this call. So the query can be resolved as soon as possible. And even we have a three variants hang up option where you can hang up the call. Uh, so third person will get disconnected, hang up both lines where all three of us will get disconnected. Leave three-way call is something where the user will be not the part of the call, but the salesperson and customer can have a communication with each other. So I click on hang up both lines. Once this is done, I have to select the disposition based on the communication. And these dispositions are totally customized as per client requirement. And of course, this would get downloaded in Excel format. Once I dispose this, I am ready for a new call. So this is a calling process. And what was your past communication? You can just go to the communication tab where the date would be generated along with your ask status and comment. Even you can download this communication in Excel format. Directly coming to an action buttons where you can send lots of communication to the customer. First one is SMS. So if you want to send a normal SMS to customer, you can select the template, click on send button, SMS will be triggered to customer mobile number. Secondly, coming to RCS. Not a normal SMS, but along with SMS, if you want to send any creative, any template that can be sent from Rich Communication Services, click on send button. The RCS will be delivered only on Android mobile, not an iOS. SMS and RCS will be delivered if your number is not marked into a DND. Coming to WhatsApp API is something that if you want to send a WhatsApp message on your from your business account, so you can just select on this template. So the WhatsApp message will go on my personal WhatsApp number. Coming to WhatsApp web, if you don't want to send an SMS from your business account but from your personal WhatsApp web, you can just click on WhatsApp web, select the template which is already registered, select to send by WhatsApp web, so it will directly fetch my WhatsApp web and I can just directly chat with you from my personal WhatsApp web. Then coming to custom video. So if you just want to send any video to the customer with some customized name and customized script, so that can be sent from here itself. So here the avatar, this is something AI feature where the avatar and script can be changed. Next coming to custom image. Now if you want to send any custom image, if you just want to send any image or any creative to the customer, that can be sent from here for doing marketing about the product. Here you can see whatever WhatsApp message I have received, I have reverted on that message. So once I click on view chat, this is a two-way communication between the users and customer. So here I can chat with the customer here itself. Even I can send an attachments, documents, and PDF file from here itself. Even I can receive this from a customer as well. So yeah, this is what about a WhatsApp chat. Coming to pay now and claim now. Now, if you are delivering the product and if you want to receive a money from customer, you can click on pay now, select the product price. So a WhatsApp message will trigger to the customer and he can place a successful payment to the client. Claim now is something where now client has to make a payment to the customer. Now it can be a refund amount, it can be appreciation token or a Winkeys amount. So that can be sent from here itself. So coming to connect to LinkedIn and connect to Facebook. Like suppose if I connect to LinkedIn and already my all details is fetched like your name, number, company name and email ID. So LinkedIn will help me to search that person. So he will directly fetch my name and he will try to connect me over here. And from here itself I can connect to the customer. Same goes to the Facebook where I can directly connect the customer over Facebook. Now what if I want to send a mail? Click on a mailbox. Your primary mail ID is already fetched here. Select the template. This is already automated from admin panel. When I click on a template, my subject line, my CC and BCC person get appear with my mail content. And just you click on send button, so mail will directly trigger in the mailbox. It will take 5 minutes to 6 minutes to come into your inbox. Coming to custom image and custom video, which I have already explained but would like to showcase you the template. So once I click on custom image, this will trigger to my WhatsApp number and I can show you when I am just sending you this image would get appear over here. Yeah, so such kind of template will get delivered to the customer where your customer name is customized and the salesperson name and number would be mapped as per state, district and tehsil. So now currently we have a static name and number, but this can be changed based on state district mapping or even on the pin code mapping can be done over here. Coming to a new event is something where you can just organize the meeting, webinar from this panel itself. You can add the participant mail ID and client phone number over here. You can save this event on your panel itself and you can send the notification over the mail to that particular client or customer. So we have just kept the mandatory fields. Then coming to script and FAQs is something where user is finding difficulties to answer the queries of the customer and if he need to explain the details about the product, so can be document can be saved from admin panel and she can help the customer, she or he can help the customer over the call itself. Coming to a feedback part. Now feedback, when I click on a feedback, a WhatsApp message will trigger on your mobile number and a feedback form will get appeared. So if you're giving me a feedback of particular product, so that would be captured in this format. So this question was asked in feedback form as I've already given the feedback would be appear over here. The feedback can be in the form of text, drop down, checkbox, radio buttons. Create ticket is something when the customer raise the ticket that would be create over here and it will be transferred to a concerned person for the solution. The concerned person can provide a solution by sending the WhatsApp or even by connecting to the customer directly. So here we also have a hot lead count, warm lead count and cold lead count bifurcation. So if I'm asking you when you are planning to buy this product, if you are planning within 15 days, then it would be my hot lead. If it is more than 1 month or 2 months, the lead would be get transferred to warm lead or cold lead. So once I click over here, you can see all the list of customers who are willing to buy my product. Once I click on view button, I will directly go to that page for a follow-up. So this feature is placed for salesperson who are working on a field. Now coming to an inbound section where I can also receive an inbound on my panel itself. So if the customer is trying to connect me on the same number which I have placed an outbound call, you can see I'm getting a calls in queue. So I can be part of inbound call, and here you can see I'm getting an options of incoming call with answer call and reject option. Once I click on answer call, it would be directly appear my page with all my past communication section. Here you can see, and my page is getting open with all my details. Yeah. So this is all about our agent screen. We also provide you customer report and callback report to an agent, but agent do not have an access to download the report. So quickly I showcase you my admin panel also, because in admin panel we are just providing more three features called integration panel, second is Easy Blast, and third is WhatsApp failure details along with recording, downloading the recording feature also given over there. So this is my admin panel. Here you can see we have more buttons in admin panel. First one is integration. As I told you, we can do an integration easily. So you have to follow these details and form itself. Secondly, coming to Easy Blast section, where you can see we can do a bulk WhatsApp, bulk SMS, bulk email and bulk IVR. So whatever data you have into the CRM, you can select that and you can just trigger one message to more than 1000 to 2000 people or selected peoples. Even you can filter out the data based on sources and dispositions. Thirdly, coming on WhatsApp failure detail is something if you are trying to send a message to the customer and if it is failed due to any reason, it can be due to maintain healthy ecosystem engagement, customer is not reachable, it's a wrong number. So you will get the pop-up with the reason. So from here itself, you can resend the WhatsApp message. In reports, we can develop the reports for you, but for static, we'll provide you the customer report which can be downloaded in Excel format. We'll provide you the call recording where you can download one by one. Bulk recording option is given. You can filter out based on disposition and you can just download the recording based on the disposition filters. Here you can see I have just generated dispositions. And lastly, we'll provide you the agent call reports. Agent call reports is nothing but it will give you the brief about a particular number, particular call and particular customer. That was a call duration, it was incoming call, outgoing call, ringing time, talk time, wrap time, etc. So this also would be get downloaded in Excel format. So this was our admin panel and cloud telephony CRM. We are also coming up with our mobile application soon, which is work in progress. So if anyone is not planning to log into the laptop or desktop and he is on a field work, he can use the mobile app. Whatever changes he's doing into a mobile app, that would be get reflected into this web CRM also. Even we are coming to a not on desk feature. If suppose user is not on desk and he want to route his all call on the mobiles, so that can be done on one click. So any customer is trying to connect that user or that agent, the call will directly get pop up on his mobile. That is something called as a remote calling. So guys, thank you for your valuable time. And if you have any queries, you can just visit on our website, that is www.jamoutsourcing.com, and connect on this number for further feature. Thank you for your time.